Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure tuple, and in today's video we will see how to convert a tuple into a dictionary. Let's start. In the first cell we have a tuple C which contains three values: Python, Python 3, Python programming. Now for creating a dictionary we want pairs of keys and values. So what we will do, we will use enumerate function to attach the index of the element to the element and create a key value pair. So we run enumerate function on the tuple C. This will attach index to the element as a pair and return a enumerate object. For converting it into a tuple, we will precede this result to a tuple function and store this value in a variable called as var. Now the new tuple which will be generated contains key value pairs, where key are the indexes and values are the element of the tuple. Var, click on the cell, run the cell. You see it contains pairs where keys are the indexes and values are the element of tuple C. To create a dictionary from this variable val, we will store the dictionary in D. We will run dict function over var, and this will create a dictionary which is containing key value pairs. We check the type of D, and it will output that it is a dictionary. Now if you want to iterate over the dictionary, then you can use the dictionary method items. For that you have to use a for loop. For it will return key value pair, therefore key, which is a variable, value, which is also a variable which can be any name, in dictionary D, for which we are running the items method to return the key and value, followed by a colon. Inside the for loop we will process this key and values. What I am doing is I am printing key and values. So F, after app opening we give double quotes, and inside double quotes we give the placeholders, and in the first placeholder I want the keys to be printed, and in the next placeholder I want values to be printed. Click on the cell, run the cell. You can see the output. Okay, value. Click on the cell, run the cell. You can see for key 0 you have value Python, for key 1 you have value Python 3, for key 2 you have value Python programming. So from a tuple C we have created a dictionary D containing key value pairs, where we use the index of tuple C as key and element of tuple C as values. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.